So I just wanted to thank Facebook real quick for reminding me of something that hasn't crossed my mind in quite some time. I know that we're in the digital age where everything is ran by AI and all this stuff, but old school marketing still works. And what I mean by that, for all of you young folks, you 2000 babies, back in the day, we used to go outside and we used to pass out flyers, shake hands, talk to people. And back in the day, that's how I built my hair business. And I've been doing hair, y'all, since 93. And this is before the internet, before social media. This is back when I had a pager, y'all. I had a pager on my hip, $10 a month. Okay? Just to go to East my mom, pay my bill. But anywho, going outside and shaking hands, talking to people, passing out flyers, business cards, believe it or not, it is still effective in 2025. So with that being said, I will be going hood to hood, passing out flyers, promoting my book. I'm going to start with Sacramento, and then I'm going to work my way back home to the Bay Area. I'm probably going to have to hit up the O on a weekend because I do want to go hit up my old neighborhood. Y'all know I'm from the dirty 30s, 39th. But yeah, like going out and talking to small business owners, especially the liquor store. The liquor store, my target. We're going to have to stop that habit, y'all. We're going to have to stop running to the liquor store every time we stressed out, having a problem, or just wanting to turn up in general. We're going to have to stop that. We need to make getting our credit straight a habit. You feel me? We need to start making good things a habit. So with that being said, thank you, Facebook, for that reminder. They always hit you with the memories every morning. And today's memory was back in 2012, I think it was, when I was posting my hair business, when I had decided to go and leave the salon and become a mobile hairstylist. And that was the best move I ever made, y'all. Even though I'm not taking new clients anymore, I got so many regulars to where I don't need to do that anymore. But what I'm trying to say is old school marketing made that happen. And I believe it'll do the same for my book. Anyway, I hope all y'all have a good day. God bless. I'm about to go outside and shake some hands and make some friends and promote my book. Y'all check it out. It's on Amazon Kindle and it's also on Etsy. I'll be posting the QR code soon. But yeah, I just wanted to put that out there, y'all. Don't sleep on old school marketing. It still works. Digital marketing is cool, but old school marketing still hit. Okay? Love y'all. Be blessed.